So hey, hi guys, welcome to Decode's YouTube channel, and I hope you're doing well. Okay, so Cognizant has announced that they're going to hire for Gen Z, Gen Z Next, and Gen Z Pro role, um, and the last date for registration is tomorrow. So make sure to register for this particular hiring. This is for 2026 batch, and this is the November-December hiring, and you'll get all the updates from your placement cell. It'll be communicated, so make sure to apply for it and start your preparation. So I have attached the application link in the registration link in the description box below, and the last date for application, the last date for applying is tomorrow, November 17th, 11:59 p.m. So within that, make sure you apply for it. Don't miss this if you're not placed. So in this session, so in this particular live session, the agenda for this is to let you know that Cognizant is hiring, point number one, and then I'll be fully discussing with you, fully explaining you the hiring syllabus, the syllabus pattern for Cognizant, how you can prepare for it. So I'll be fully talking about the syllabus because this is quite an extensive syllabus. This is a vast syllabus and you have to prepare a lot, and the first round itself is an elimination round, right? So you need to be prepared properly. So make sure to watch this live session fully and be interactive and ask all of your doubts, right? So Infosys hiring is paused for most of you guys. So in the meanwhile, you can start preparing for Cognizant also, because the aptitude, everything that you prepare for any service-based company, it will be useful for you. So don't stop your preparation, guys. And Infosys videos are also coming. Cognizant videos will also be coming. So don't stop your preparation. And I also put many videos in my channel, right? This is my channel. Let me just show you. Let me just put this on quickly. This channel is Decodes and I am D, and the purpose of this channel is to be useful for others who are all preparing for interviews so that they can get to the next steps of their lives. So it starts with like my channel provides content for end-to-end interview preparation, starting from the online assessments to coding round, technical interview, HR interview, till you're onboarded. Whatever help you need, my channel will provide you with that, and it will be really useful for you. So please do subscribe if you or your friend are also preparing for this, for interviews and assessments, coding rounds, aptitude exams, and everything. Okay, so there are many playlists provided you guys. You can just go through, and I've also got a killer playlist for Cognizant. So like many videos are put in the Cognizant playlist, and it's pretty popular in my channel. So please kindly go through that. So this is about it, guys. Let's just start with this, but let me see if I've got if we got any joinees, and let me just see that. Okay. Okay, fine. So please be interactive, you guys. Let me just put this in the chat. Okay, please ask your doubts in the live chat. Let's just keep this as um, interesting and as engaging as possible, right? So I want to address two different things to you guys. First one is, if you go to my channel and if you click on more over here, you can see the Telegram link channel, and you can join in the Telegram group for any communication purposes. You can message in case of any doubts. You can contact me through this mail ID, and if you're a member, and I've also put how to access documents as a member if you don't if you're not aware of that. And apart from this, I've also provided a separate thing where you can become a member of this channel, right? So my channel also provides membership opportunity. So if you click on that link, there are four different levels available: supporter, knowledge seeker, procoder, and insider. For supporter level, this is just rupees 29 per month, and you can get hold of all the documents. For example, if the like all the cheat sheets, all the questions, and whatever I explain with in my video, you can get access to that, right? And not only that, and more. So some other preparation resources, extensive preparation resources for each rounds. It's already in my, there are many videos in my channel, and it is like linked in the description, so supporter can avail that. Fine, and you will get all these perks. So knowledge of pro coder and insider. If you want to get one-on-one coaching with me or something like that, you can become a pro coder or an insider. And my channel also provides one-on-one interview options, mock interview options. So if you want to avail mock interview option with me, you can absolutely join this Telegram channel and message me, so that I'll provide you the mock interview, one-on-one mock interview. It's just rupees 99, and for 99 I'll conduct 2 mock interviews for you. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into this. So Cognizant is hiring for 2026 batch. This is on campus hiring, so please make use of this opportunity. If you're not placed, this will be really helpful for you. Okay, let me just okay, fine, this will be like really helpful for you. This is for 2026 batch, guys, 2026. And I also want to address that this is for BE BTech. Okay. Okay, fine. And the registration closes tomorrow. So what are all the roles and packages? GENC, GENC Pro, and GENC Next. So GENC is for 4 LPA, GENC Pro is 5.4 LPA, and GENC Next is 6.75 LPA. And talking about the test pattern, this is not only for GENC but also GENC Pro and GENC Next. So as you attend the interview, you will be, as you attend the rounds, you will be let know if you're GENC, GENC Pro, or GENC Next, and based on that the difficulty level will change. So first round is communication assessment, next is aptitude, and then technical assessment. There are no negative markings, you don't have to worry about any kind of negative markings. And communication assessment will be of 60 minutes, aptitude assessment will be of 80 minutes, and technical assessment will be of 120 minutes. And this is where coding questions will be asked for you. I also want to let you know that this is an elimination round. Which one? Communication assessment is an elimination round. I'm sorry. Okay, I think there is some issue with my pen over here. Let me just see. I don't know why it is not. Okay. So communication assessment is an elimination round. So you have to be prepared accordingly. And the syllabus is pretty vast, you guys. So this is just an overview, but I've got a separate over here, got like a separate word sheet over here. Here I'll be explaining subsections and questions and how you exactly have to prepare for this particular round. I'll make sure you are very thorough before you start preparing. This is really important, you guys. Okay, let me just see if I've got any queries or something. Okay, fine. This is like a short live session, you guys. I'm just explaining the syllabus and pattern. So this is a multi-stage assessment. Let me see if it is working. This is a multi-stage assessment. Okay, it's working fine in Word. I don't know why it's not working in, I don't know. Anyway, this is a multi-stage assessment, and this will test your communication skill, aptitude, and technical abilities. So you have GENC, GENC Next mostly share the same assessment structure, and the final role depends on the interview performance, you guys. So the interview performance is very, very important when you are selected, which decides if you're selected for GENC Pro, which is of 6.75 LPA. So first point is GENC and GENC Next share the same assessment structure. So and the final role depends upon the interview performance, that is for GENC, GENC Next, and GENC Pro. Fine. Now first round is communication assessment, and the communication assessment is of 60 minutes, 58 minutes I can say. And this is an elimination round, you guys. So be prepared. You have to be prepared. So the preparation really matters a lot. So what kind of questions will be asked for you? Reading sentences, 8 questions will be asked. So questions will be displayed for you in the screen, and you have to look at it and read. Okay. So you'll be giving 1 minute of time. You can, this is how the screen will be. Like in the screen. Okay, let me just explain. Wait a second. Okay, so you'll have the screen over here, right? So here you will be having the sentence, whatever the sentence that is, and here you will have like a button which you have to press, and you can record the sentence that you're reading for a minute. So the reading sentences part, it's pretty easy for most of you guys. It will start with easy level of sentences, like easy level of small sentences, and it goes to long sentences. This is very, very easy. Reading sentences, you can easily score all 8 questions correctly. And then you have repeat sentences. In case of repeat sentences, what happens is you will be played an audio. Okay, you have to listen to the audio and you have to repeat the sentences in which you have to record, right? So 16 questions will be asked for you, and repeating the sentences which is played in the audio, it's pretty difficult because small sentences, short sentences can be easily heard, listened, and repeated, but long sentences are pretty hard. So you have to have a great understanding, and you have to have great listening skills. Okay, you have to quickly note the words, and you quickly note the sentence down in your mind, or you can even take a pen or paper. But like as I said, you need to have a lot of practice. So in the upcoming sessions, I'll be putting videos for each round. Okay, don't worry about it. We can practice daily, and I'll help you how to attend the repeat sentences part. Okay, and then jumbled sentences part. You'll be getting 10 questions. What happens is that audio will be played, and sentences will be said in a jumbled way, and you have to rearrange that properly, all by listening. Okay, all by listening. This is also pretty difficult, and you need to have a lot of practice. And question and answer part is where, like, 24 questions will be asked for you. A paragraph will be played. Okay, someone will narrate something. An audio will be played where some situation scenario will be narrated, and you have to listen to it, and questions will be asked after that, and you have to answer the question. So this is also pretty difficult because you need to have good listening skill, because the accent is going to be British or American accent, mostly American accent. It's pretty difficult because it can be pretty fast also, and it is difficult to note down the points. Okay, so and then the last one is storytelling, where you'll be given a topic, 2 topics, and you'll be asked to talk on it. So each of this will be about like 1 to 2 minutes of time duration, and totally this is 60 minutes. This is an elimination round, so you just can't go and attend it in a leisure way, because this is an elimination round and you'll have to be prepared for it. So what are they evaluating exactly? So I've always told you, before attending any round, any assessment round, you need to understand what is the expectation set for you. What are they assessing? What are they evaluating? So they are going to evaluate your English fluency, how fluent you are in English, comprehension skills. Comprehension means how well you have understood the context, the sentence. Okay, how well you've understood that, and how well you can speak, how fluently you can speak, and how well you can speak in English. That is what assessed. Okay, so as I'm saying, reading sentences very easy. You can score all 8 questions, but with respect to repeat jumbled question and answer, you need to have a lot of practice, which I'll be putting videos for. And you can go to my Cognizant playlist video, and you will get all the we just go click on the playlists tab, and you have the Cognizant all rounds playlist. And my most popular video over here is actually wait, let me just search the communication assessment. Okay, so like the Cognizant communication assessment round 1 fully explained, like how to clear and all the questions, and last minute preparation videos and all I put. So you can definitely go and watch. It will be really useful for you. Okay, round 2 is aptitude assessment, guys. So the aptitude assessment, numerical ability, logical reasoning, and verbal ability questions will be asked for you. So in this, verbal ability and logical reasoning are always easy to solve. I feel like logical reasoning is the most easy one. This is the easiest one, and the level of difficulty will be pretty medium only, not too difficult. Don't worry about it. You've got like 35 questions and 45 minutes for it. So logical reasoning with proper practice you can solve it. And verbal ability, you just need to know English grammar, that's all. If you know the pattern for the English grammar and if you're able to solve it properly, okay, if you just know the pattern for the English grammar and like pattern of questions, what kind of questions do they ask, if you just know that and followed by that, if you're just aware of all the English grammar rules, because there are many many topics, okay, this will be helpful for you. For example, starting with verbs, tenses, active and passive voice, direct indirect speech, and then subject verb agreement, prepositions, articles, error spotting, okay, sentence completion, English comprehension. So if you're just able to starting with today or tomorrow, if you're just able to like learn the grammar rules daily for 1 hour, you are good to go. Whether it is Infosys, Cognizant, Hexaware, Mindtree, anything, you're good to go with verbal ability. You just don't have to worry about it. And the numerical ability, the same goes for that also. Numerical ability, you have to practice a lot of mathematical questions, right? 35 minutes and 25 questions, you've got like pretty good amount of time, right guys? So what kind of questions are asked? Number systems, LCM, HCF, divisibility rules, decimal fractions, geometry, area, shape and perimeter, percentages, allegations and mixture, ratio, proportion, work and time. So what I'm trying to plan is Cognizant especially, all of these questions are asked from all of these topics. So I'm going to start with the number system, starting with the basic number system. Not only for Cognizant, for any interview preparation. These are all the commonly asked topics, like speed, time and distance is very commonly asked. Profit and loss, averages, equations, ages, probability. So I can put a video, I can put a playlist video. One video will be covering number system, where I can be discussing the formula and rules, questions that you have to practice to be thorough with the formula and rules, and Cognizant previously asked questions. Okay, I can cover this, guys, so that if I cover number system one day and put on the video or as a live session, you can come join me live, right? And you can prepare, right? So I'm planning to do that. If you are interested, please do put in the comment section, and based on the interest and the preparation level, I can definitely go on with this, because this is a huge thing, right? This will be useful for you in every interview, in every company. Clocks and calendars, pie charts, permutation combinations. So questions will be easy to medium. Don't have to worry about it. 25 question, 35 minutes, right? And then you have verbal ability. As I already said before, synonyms, antonyms, error identification, sentence improvement, SVA, subject verb agreement. This is where most of us make the mistake. So I'll definitely put separate videos, guys. Tenses and articles, preposition and conjunctions, speeches and voices, comprehensions. Okay, so error spotting, sentence ordering, vocabulary. So you have to be thorough on this. Logical reasoning, pretty easy. If you have nice practice, you can definitely crack this. Word patterns, letter series, number series, seating arrangements, blood relations, direction sense, cubes and folding, statement conclusion, syllogism, Venn diagram. So 35 questions, 45 minutes. So pretty sure you can easily solve it. As day goes, I'll definitely put on the videos. Okay. And the round 3 is technical assessment, right? Okay, let me just see if you've got any questions or queries or anything. Okay, no, not yet so far. And not a problem, guys. Please, even if you're watching this after the live session ends, I'll still answer. And you got technical assessment. For technical assessment, they'll ask you, while applying itself, they'll ask you cluster 1 or cluster 2 during the registration itself. Okay, so you can, based on your skill level, if you know Java very thoroughly, you can definitely go for Java cluster 1, which is the Java cluster, or you can go for Python cluster. But the final cluster is assigned by Cognizant. So if you gave Java cluster and you end up having the Python cluster, then that is based on that is based on Cognizant. We even had C sharp cluster before. Okay, so 83% focus will be on Java on all of these problem solving, strings, arrays and collections. I'll definitely put videos on this, sessions on this, searching, sorting, control flow, date and time, oops, exception handling, and MySQL questions will be asked. Very, very easy, guys. And HTML, CSS, JavaScript question. So SQL questions, they will ask you to write a SQL query. Regarding Java, you will get coding questions. As I said before, here you can see here technical assessment depends on cluster, 3 questions, 105 or 120 minutes, right? You can even have questions more than that also, 3 to 5 questions mostly, like one coding question in Java, one coding question in SQL, one in HTML, CSS, JavaScript mostly. Okay, if there is any pattern update, I'll definitely let you know. And then for queries, mostly select query statements will be asked for you. DDL, DML, DCL, TCL need to be prepared with this. So one coding question, whichever you choose, Java or Python. Query, SQL query, one question from this, mostly select query, but you have to know even complex questions can also be asked. And then third one is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, right? They will ask a web UI question. For example, like they'll give you some kind of a design and you have to write the HTML, CSS code for it. This is with respect to cluster 1. What about cluster 2? So for cluster 2, if you choose Python, as usual, one Python question and one ANSI SQL through MySQL question, and then cloud fundamentals. So I would suggest to go for Python cluster because it is easy to crack and easy to crack, right? So Python coding question, as usual, data structure, function, OOP, file handling, modules, exception handling. You'll have to prepare for with all of this. And SQL question, mostly querying question, cloud fundamental, MCQ question, right? So just cloud is enough. Knowledge on cloud is enough. Introduction to clouds, service models, deployment models, virtualization, cloud providers, basic cloud services. This is enough. So end-to-end thorough preparation video is already in my playlist. This one, you'll get all kinds of cheat sheet. If you just go and like all cheat sheets are available, you guys. You can just go and study and get placed, as easy as that. Already Cognizant playlist is done, like absolutely. But I'll not stop making content. Okay, I'll still do it for you guys. So this is the session that I wanted to talk about. So in the description box below, let me just show you. Here I have attached the link. Any questions? Not yet. Okay, fine, no problem. So the description box, I have attached the link. Let me just see. Okay, fine. Okay, the description box below, you can find the link. Go inside the link. The registration ends tomorrow, 17th November, 11:59 p.m. it ends. So make sure you apply for it. Let me just be clear. This is for BE BTech 2026 batch. 2026 batch BE BTech and November December hiring. This is on campus, not off campus. This is a great opportunity for you to get placed. So if your college, if you want to know if your college is signed up for this, ask your placement officer, placement cell. They'll give you all kinds of updates. If your college is signed up for this, you can go on with the preparation and attend. If not, no worries, you guys. More companies are coming, are hiring, and I'll update you on that. So make sure to subscribe to this channel, and so that you can get the updates and all. Share this, share my channel to your friends who are all preparing for the interview. So ask your doubts in below and join my Telegram channel. Okay, fine. Ask your doubts and I'll try to solve it. And thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll join you in another session for Infosys or Cognizant or any LTIMindtree, any interview preparation content. And